Okay, so what if you could build your own ChatGPT? And I mean like the actual same AI brain that powers the real thing. But here's the cool part. You can give it whatever personality you want. A pirate assistant that talks like Jack Sparrow, a coding tutor that explains stuff to you like you're 5, a fitness coach, whatever. And this is the crazy part. You can build this in like 20 lines of Python. 20 lines. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it right now. This is honestly one of the most useful things I've ever learned, so stick around. First things first, you need an API key from OpenAI. Don't worry, it's free to start. Go to platform.openai.com, make an account. Then click API keys in the sidebar. It's kind of hidden, but it's there. Click Create New Secret Key, and then this is important, copy it and save it somewhere because you only see it once. They're weird about that. Anyway, you get free credits to start, no credit card needed. Then just pip install OpenAI in your terminal. That's literally all the setup. Takes like 2 minutes. Let me show you the actual code. Here's the basic code. Import OpenAI. Create a client with your API key. Called chat completions create. That's the magic function. You pass in the model. I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo because it's like way cheaper and honestly fast enough for most stuff. Then you pass your messages as a list, and the response comes back with the AI's reply. Let me run this. And boom. Hello, how can I help you today? We literally just talked to the same AI that powers ChatGPT with our own code. But wait, this only handles one message. That's boring. Let's make it an actual conversation. So here's how you make it remember stuff. We create a messages list to store the conversation history. When the user says something, we add it to the list. We send the whole list to the API so it sees everything that's been said. The AI responds, and then we add that response to the list too, so it keeps building up. Watch this. I say, my name is Alex. It says, nice to meet you. Then I ask, what's my name? And it says, your name is Alex. It remembers. This is literally how ChatGPT works under the hood, the context window thing. Okay, now this is the secret sauce right here. System messages. You add a special message at the very beginning that tells the AI how to behave. This is basically its personality, its instructions. And watch this. I'm setting it to be a pirate assistant. Always respond in pirate speak, use words like "R," "matey," "ahoy." Be helpful, but stay in character. Now, every single response will be in pirate mode. You can make it anything, a strict teacher, a motivational coach, a sarcastic friend. Whatever you write in the system message, that's who the AI becomes. Let me show you this thing in action. I ask, how do I learn Python? And, okay, look at this response. R matey, ye wish to learn the ways of Python, start with the basics, ye scallywag. This is, honestly, kind of hilarious, but it's also actually helpful advice. Same powerful AI, completely different personality. You change that system message and you have a totally different assistant. A Spanish tutor, a recipe generator, a therapist. The possibilities are actually endless here. Here's the complete chatbot, about 20 lines, give or take. A while loop that just keeps asking for input and printing responses. Type quit to exit. That's it. That's a fully working AI chatbot that you can run right now on your computer. Change the system message to whatever personality you want. Add it to a website, connect it to Discord, put it in a Slack bot, whatever. You built this yourself. That's kind of cool, right? So now you can build basically any AI assistant you can think of. Customer support bot that knows your company's FAQ, language tutor that corrects your grammar in Spanish or French or whatever, coding assistant that explains stuff simply, fitness coach, writing helper. The cost is basically nothing, like 1/5 of a cent per message, something ridiculous like that. And the free tier gives you plenty to experiment with. If you want me to build more advanced AI stuff, like connecting this to a website or Discord or whatever, subscribe and let me know in the comments. All the code is in the description. See you in the next one.